Morning children, welcome back to our English class. So in our previous class we have seen 4 preposition already we have completed: in, on, between and above. Now next preposition, today in our session we will learn about in front of. Next preposition, that is in front of and behind. These 2 preposition we will learn. So let's see first of all in front of. What is meaning of in front of? In front of यानी सामने, right? Just now I am standing in front of the mobile. मैं मोबाइल के सामने खड़ी हूँ, right? Suppose my face is, अगर मेरा फेस यहाँ पर है, in this way, so what can we say? मैं बोलूँगी कि I am standing in front of blackboard. मैं blackboard के सामने खड़ी हूँ, right? Suppose the mirror is there in my hand. अगर मैं आईना देख रही हूँ तो what can I say? I am standing in front of the mirror. मैं कहाँ पर हूँ? मिरर के सामने खड़ी हूँ, right? Then suppose the box is here and the box is मेरे, ये box मेरे सामने है. Okay, I am standing in this way. ये box मेरे सामने है. So what can I say? I am standing in front of the box or the box is in front of me. मेरे सामने क्या है? Box है, या फिर मैं किसके सामने खड़ी हूँ? Box के सामने खड़ी हूँ. So this is in this way in front of, right? So here now see, you are in front of the blackboard. आप किसके सामने हो? Blackboard के सामने हो. और the blackboard is in front of you. Blackboard कहाँ है? आपके सामने है, right? The blackboard is in front of you. Just now you can see the blackboard. So the blackboard is in front of you. आपके सामने क्या है? Blackboard है. So now see, can you see the tree? एक tree है पीछे, back side a tree is there and in front of, उसके आगे कौन खड़ा है? A rabbit is there. So what can we write? The rabbit is in front of the tree. What? The rabbit is in front of the tree. The rabbit is in front of the tree. So here I have written the rabbit is in front of the tree. Next, see both one boy and one girl. They are standing in this way. Both दोनों का फेस ऐसा है, एक के सामने एक ऐसे खड़े हैं, right? इसका फेस और ये फेस दोनों कैसे? एक के सामने एक है. So what can we write? For the girl is standing in front of the boy, or you can say the boy is standing in front of the girl, right? The boy is in front of the girl. Now you can see backside girl is standing and in front of it the chair is there. वो लड़की चेयर के सामने खड़ी है, चेयर के पीछे खड़ी है. So where is the chair? The chair is in front of the girl. Where is the chair? The chair is in front of the girl. You can say the name of the girl. The chair is in front of the Mahi, right? In front of Mahi. So here I have written the chair is in front of Mahi. Any name you can write. You can write your own name. If your name is Ved, you can write here Ved, but draw the picture of boy here. Okay. So this is the 3 example. Next example we will see that side. Now you can see here house is there. In front of the house the river is there, right? Flowing. So क्या लिख सकते हैं कि मेरे घर के सामने river बहती है. So what you can write? You can write a river is flowing in front of my house. मेरे घर के सामने से क्या जा रही है? River जा रही है. So we can write the river is flowing in front of my house. After that you can see here one girl is there and one mirror is there. So what can we say? कौन है? The girl कहाँ पर खड़ी है? Mirror के सामने खड़ी है. So the girl is standing in front of the mirror, or you can say the mirror is in front of the girl. But this is more proper. The girl is standing in front of the mirror. Mirror के सामने कौन खड़ा है? Girl खड़ी है. Now here you can see the face of the girl towards the tree. Tree के सामने उसका face है, यानी she is standing in front of the tree, or the tree is in front of the girl. In this way, the tree is in front of the girl. Tree कहाँ पर है? Girl के सामने है. So here I have written the girl is standing in front of the mirror and the tree is in front of the girl. So this is about in front of. In front of यानी सामने होना, right? सामने होना. Now we will see the next preposition, that is behind. Behind means पीछे. Behind means पीछे. Just now I am standing here. What is behind me? मेरे पीछे में क्या है? The blackboard is behind me, right? The blackboard is behind me. Well, the box. Where is the box? The box is behind me. Suppose I am doing like this. So what can you say? I am standing behind the box. मैं box के पीछे खड़ी हूँ, right? I am standing behind the box. मैं box के पीछे खड़ी हूँ. या फिर if you can say for the blackboard that the blackboard is behind me. मेरे पीछे में क्या है? Blackboard है, right? I hope you understand the preposition. Now next preposition, that is behind. Behind यानी पीछे, as I said. So now what is the position of the balloon? Where is the balloon? You can see the girl is going this side, right? वो ऐसे जा रही है. And here back side the balloon is there. So what is the position of the balloon? So the balloon is behind the girl. गर्ल के पीछे में क्या है? बलून है, राइट? शी इज गोइंग दिस साइड एंड द बलून इज उसके पीछे है. सो द बलून इज बिहाइंड द गर्ल. दिस वन, सब आई एम हियर, द गर्ल, दिस वन आई एम हियर, ये मैं हूँ और मेरे पीछे ABCD. तो वेयर इज द ब्लैकबोर्ड? द ब्लैकबोर्ड इज बिहाइंड मैडम. ओके, द ब्लैकबोर्ड इज बिहाइंड द गर्ल, राइट? आफ्टर दैट कैन यू सी वन गर्ल इज हियर. वो पेड़ के पीछे से झांक के देख रही है, राइट? सो वेयर इज द गर्ल? द गर्ल इज बिहाइंड द ट्री. ट्री के पीछे खड़ी हुई है और स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द ट्री. वेयर इज द गर्ल स्टैंडिंग? द गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द ट्री. आफ्टरवर्ड्स अनदर एग्जाम्पल, कैन यू सी वन बॉय इज देयर. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज ए बेड. दिस इज अ बेड. वो क्या है? बेड के पीछे. अगर वो बेड के आगे खड़ा रहता तो उसका ये पूरा बॉडी पार्ट दिखता, बट ही इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द बेड. सो व्हाट कैन यू से? दैट द बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द बेड. द बॉय इज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड द बेड. So here I have written the balloon. Write correct spelling of balloon. BALL LLL and double O is there. So while writing, be careful. The balloon is behind the girl. Afterward, the blackboard is behind the girl, or you can say madam also, or you can write the name of any girl also. The girl is standing behind the tree. Here also instead of girl you can write Rani is standing behind the tree, right? Or Raja is standing behind the tree. Ram is standing behind the tree. Next one, the boy is standing. Again, for instead of the boy you can write the name of any boy. The Raju is standing behind the bed. Ramesh is standing behind the bed. So this is about the behind. Another 3 examples are there. Let's see that one also. Now you can see the joker is here. Where is the joker? Behind the ball. So what will we write? The joker is behind the ball. Ball के पीछे कौन है? Joker है. Now here you can see the car is in front. कार आगे है और tree उसके पीछे है. So what can you write? The tree is behind my car. मेरे कार के पीछे क्या है? Tree है, right? Here another example, 2 children are given. Name is given Reena and Raju, and you can see that they are going this side. So she is the first and he is second. So what can we write? Raju is behind Reena, right? रीना, राजू कहाँ है? रीना के पीछे. और अगर आपको रीना के लिए लिखना है, so you can write Reena is in front of Raju. राजू के आगे कौन है? रीना. और राजू के और रीना के पीछे कौन है? Who is behind Reena? That is Raju. So let's write sentences for that. The joker is standing behind the ball, right? Then this tree is behind my car, and then Raju is behind Reena. If you want to write for Reena, what can you write? Reena is standing in front of Raju. Raju के पहले कौन खड़ा है? Reena खड़ी है. So this is the preposition about in front of and behind. I hope you understand this both one. Okay. Till then we will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day.